So Leah and I are house sitting this week at pretty much our dream place.
Yeah.
There's chickens, and there's a pool, and a built-in slack line, and a trampoline apparently, and this whole ninja warrior set thing, which Leah is gonna be a monkey on. Yeah, so pretty much best case scenario here. It's for a family friend that we're doing this for. So we're really excited to spend the week helping out and having fun. What did I just walk in on?
We're having a staring contest.
Did you put him there?
Did up here.
Did it scare you?
Yep.
Oh, I wish I was there for that.
You wanna hold one?
No,
Have you ever held a chicken?
I'm sure I have sometime. We're going for a night swim. So beautiful. Oh. So this is Jenny, my friend from when I used to live here in Illinois, and we're gonna go back to this abandoned warehouse that we don't know if it exists anymore, but we used to come here, hang out. I used to hide a chest here, and in there was like blankets, water, snacks, instruments, and it's like someone bought it and now it's all paved and posh, but we're gonna go and see what they've done.
We cut my hair on that front porch.
Where's Juan Miguel? So this is Stanley.
I'm gonna eat my phone.
You gotta blow your nose, Stanley. Not on me. He's an old friend from high school. He was my homecoming date. And his brother Juan Miguel is somewhere. He's donkey.
He's mine.
Yeah, he could be Stephanie's date. Leah's finally meeting them.
I didn't have a homecoming date. I didn't have a homecoming.
Poor homeschool life.
Did we ever? I feel like we tried to ride him.
Oh yeah, I did. I would get up on here and I tried. I think I just chickened out. Like I was scared.
Oh.
You got an itch. You're beautiful, big, strong, Stanley. Should have brought you some carrots. We have carrots.
Yeah, you should have.
Ew.
See, Juan Miguel, if he was here, he's short and he puts his little head right in here.
Yeah. Oh, I'm.
Goodbye, Stanley. We love you. Tell Juan Miguel at least say hi. We're at Honey Hill, and this is Leah's first sip of a Kelly Special, which is the best sip.
But it has coffee in it this time.
Yeah, Sugar Central.
So here's the deal. Jess and I are house sitting And while we're house sitting for these people, they're like, hey, if you do these extra things like chop wood or do fencing or stuff like that, we'll give you extra money. So we're like, heck yeah, we got nothing else to do. So that's what we're doing. Look at this cute little boat. Cute. We could make a cute little fire. This one's gonna be hard with all the little gnats. Or maybe not. Not. Maybe not. Not. Gosh, I really should be a comedian. Ah! First fly. That really hurt. Got bit by a horsefly, it hurt.
Shoddy. Yeah, Leah's a beast. They've got a permanent slack line here. So cool. Volleyball net, court, trampoline, a ninja course. This is just insane. It's like, so crazy. Solar panel, garden, so many. So this is what I'm currently working on. I am taking all of these down, rolling them up, taking out the posts and bringing them over to the shed. It's very simple, but it's not easy. So I've done half so far.
Shoddy!
So when we were cleaning the fridge, I figured out that you could take out these to clean. And then when I put it back in, I didn't put it in right. So when Leah was doing it, it fell and they all collapsed. Nothing broke. The only damage that was done was this little deviled egg was cut in half. So it's a big casualty, if you ask me.
$20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30. It's probably like $1 million.
Whoa.
It's ripping everywhere.
Leah thinks it's necessary to do this right now in the middle of a Walmart. Good job. Leah and I have made our pizza. It's gonna go in the oven.
Bone apple tea.
Very excited, very hungry. We want this pizza real bad. That looks delicious.
Cheers.
Hard at work. It's time to weed. Do some weeds. Looking sharp. Ooh la la. Now we are tackling this beast. What? Oh, it finally happened. We finally forgot to bungee the top thing, and it's happened, so we're just gonna embrace it. And oh, that one did not fall perfectly, by the way. I got up and put it on the ground so it wouldn't fall. We'll clean it up later. We're living our best lives now while we're driving onward. I'm showing Leah around my hometown, Wakanda, Illinois. And there's new things. Oops, not that. Well. We were playing tetherball and Leah is too strong, so she broke it and it went flying off. So she is fixing it.
So we're shopping at Target and Jessica says, I'm gonna go find a chair.
Or high.
I couldn't see what that was filming.
Yeah, I had to find a chair and I'm in the home decor and it's been great.
Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we travel north to Oxford, Wisconsin and stay at an awesome lake.